If you're a DJ watching this and you take your business seriously, you need to be paying attention to the numbers and the metrics around your business. Most DJs focus on performance and they don't have their finger on the pulse of the data and the metrics, the numbers for the things that actually take their business to operate. And that is a shortfall. You can focus on the events, you can focus on the quote unquote gigs, but if you're not paying attention to the numbers, you're guessing, and your business is going to fall short in terms of where its true potential could be. Having a clear understanding and a good understanding of where everything lies, the metrics, your conversions, and some of the data points that are important for your business to operate is what this video is all about. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 key data points that I'm always paying attention to, not only for myself, but for the company as a whole. It gives me a good understanding as to how we're doing, where we're at, and where we're going. So if you're looking to take your business to the next level, here's some stuff that I think you need to be paying attention to. Number 1, inquiry to booking ratio. And not just like the clear path from like inquiry to booking. Think about the steps involved in that conversation and that transaction. First, you have inquiry, people that have taken the time to submit a contact us form, reach out to you, set up a meeting, or just get information about the things that you bring to the table. The next data point, which is super important, is how many people from the initial inquiry actually took the time to set up an appointment. So the conversion rate from inquiry in or request for information in to actual appointment. And then the final piece of information in this conversation is from the actual meetings that are had, the people that you actually talk to, you meet with, you go over the game plan, the foundation, and the services that you bring to the table, how many of them convert to actual contract. This information is super important because it doesn't just give you access to how your business is doing, it will literally pinpoint the gap in messaging, in sales, and or the conversion to contracts out. It'll tell you where your business is and where you're going. That's why this is so important. Number 2 is about your sales and the people that have actually hired you and having a good understanding of where the low point is, the high point is in terms of the services, the things that you're being hired to do for people, and most importantly, having a clear understanding of where the average falls for most of the people that are hiring you. So think of the last 10, 20, or even 50 events that you've done. Look at the low, look at the high, and look at where most people have landed. Understanding this is so important because it lets you track your evolution as a business and lets you know how you're doing from a service perspective. Let's flip this around and talk about number 3, and that's understanding your cost per lead. So if you're advertising on any platform, whether it be putting ads out on Facebook or advertising on Wedding Pro, The Knot, Wedding Wire, Style Me Pretty, or any other platform that exists in the world of weddings or events, you need to understand the cost per lead. So at the end of the day, the end of the year, the end of the month, look at all the opportunities that have been gained by and from each platform and understand the value of each lead, of each opportunity that actually submitted information in and requested information of you and of your business. Look at all the conversations you have, and then look at the very last part of this, the actual people that sign contracts. It'll give you 3 different data points that are super important that let you understand the clear cost per lead in terms of acquisition and conversion. And this information will help you understand if the marketing platforms where you're spending your money are worth their weight or not. While we're talking about marketing, while we're talking about leads, while we're talking about opportunity, let's talk about where people are coming from that are coming into your world. So whether it's a platform or a person, understanding where your referrals are coming from allows you to double down in the areas that are working and allows you to steer clear and avoid the areas that are not. In the end, this helps you make the most of your time, your investments, and your energy. It allows you to focus on relationships that are bringing value to the table for you, and it allows you to go bigger with the platforms that are actually bringing value to the table for you and your business. I could go on about this stuff for a long time, but the last data point that I think is super important for every DJ to be tracking is the net profit from every event that you do. So subtract out all the expenses, all of the costs, all of the things that are needed to make an event happen. And at the end of it all, how much money you are actually putting into your bank account after that job, that opportunity, that event is complete. Having a good understanding of your net profit allows you to know if you're profitable or not. And this is incredibly important, especially in the business of entertainment. If you're just looking at the contract dollars and what's hitting your bank account without taking into consideration all of your expenses and all of the costs you need to do what you do, you are selling yourself short and you don't have a clear understanding of how well or not you and your business are doing. There's a lot of data outside of the performance in the world of events, and these are just some key critical areas I think every DJ should be paying attention to make the most out of their journey in the world of events. You have questions, you have comments, did I miss something that's important to you? I'd love to hear from you in the comments underneath this video. Be on the lookout for more videos just like this coming to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thanks for watching.